name is Corey Miller, and I'm the president of Duct Air Duct Cleaning. And our company is involved in obviously cleaning air duct systems. We also seal air duct systems using a process called AeroSeal. We're located here in Omaha, Nebraska. We've been in business for about 7 years. Duct as a brand has been around for about 17 years. We feel in our business that our number one goal is to bring glory to God in the things that we do and the way that we do business. And He's blessed us in that very much. Business has been good, and we're very thankful for the business that we have an opportunity to be a part of. There are a lot of reasons that we do what we do and how we do it that set us apart from other people, at least in our market, and I think a lot of people around the country. I think to me, though, the thing that it comes down to is accountability. Accountability in duct cleaning is really a big issue because ultimately you really don't know what's going on inside the ductwork until the duct cleaner is willing to show you what happened. And so what we do is we make a video on each project. Once we've completed that job, we then give that video to the homeowner so that they can see and they can judge for themselves whether they've gotten what they paid for. Another part that I think is important is that there's a belief, I think, that cleaning ductwork is just about the ductwork, and it's not just the ductwork. It's the air handler, or as most people would call it, the furnace. Cleaning the furnace itself, the air conditioning coil, the blower. And a lot of people also clean because the benefit toward allergies and dust, which is certainly an issue. But there's a large energy efficiency component to duct cleaning alone. We actually have an 82-step process that we use. It's very, very thorough. Leads us through step by step exactly what we're supposed to be doing at that moment in the duct work. And ultimately, the only way that we can get something wrong is if we're not following the system. And so that's why we built a system that's very, very easy to follow. The last thing I wanted to talk about was air duct sealing. And then we use a process called AeroSeal, which we've had on board for 4 or 5 years now, and we've been very successful with it. It's a process where we're actually sealing ductwork from the inside. And the reason that we would seal ductwork is because, though you may not think about it, the average duct system in a home is leaking anywhere between 20 to 40% of its airflow at pressure, which is a lot of air that you're paying for that's being lost in other areas of the home. It's either being lost in a ceiling, in a floor, in a wall, but in any case, you're not being able to take advantage of it, and you paid for it. We run into a lot of homeowners that talk about having issues with hot rooms in the summer and cold rooms in the winter and poor airflow and frankly high energy bills. And AeroSeal goes a long ways to solving a lot of those things, whether you have a brand new furnace, an old furnace, a new furnace, whatever the case may be, high efficiency, low efficiency. It's not about the furnace necessarily, because you can create the air hot or cold at whatever rate you'd like, very efficiently or very not efficiently. But once the airflow enters the ductwork, that's where the issues begin.